moving slow. All the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see. I let them roll astray.
So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay para magba-breakfast ride dapat. Kaso alas 9 na kami nakabangon at nakagising kanina. Kaya ngayon, dito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay, nag-lunch ride na lang. At maglolomi muna kami dito sa may Lomi House, bandang sa part ng Tagaytay ito. At kasama din sila Sir Mon, Sir Alvin. At may kasama tayong mga tatlong babae, syempre sila Melanie, Jess, and Dala. At ayun, after namin maglomi, diretso na kami sa may picnic grove. And baka mag-People's Park pa kami or mag-Tagaytay loop na kami ngayon. Let's go! Ito na yung lobby overload natin. Okay. Kumain na nalalak.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the
So
mud.
guys, tapos kami kumain dito mag-lomi at pahinga. Gayak lang kami, get up para diretso biyahe na kami sa picnic grove. Let's go!
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder.
So yung mga pre, andito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay Picnic Grove. At kita nyo naman, sobrang dami ng tao. Taglit lang din kami dito, pahinga lang. At baka magkapit pa kami sa isang spot. Kasi wala kami mahirap na hanap na kapian dito. So explore lang namin itong lugar na to, pahinga. Then, susubukan ko magpalipad, sana payagan. Let's go!
Time is moving fast. I am moving slow. All the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see. I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Time is moving still, and you are here with me. A house upon the hill.
So guys, ayun na. Tapos kami magpahinga dito at tumambay sa Picnic Grove. At ayun, sulit naman kahit paano, kahit sobrang hangin, nakapagpalipad tayo. Kahit paano na-establish natin at nakapag-enjoy naman kami dito. So baka diretso biyahe na kami pa uwi. Or yun, magkakape kami sa madadaanan. And yun, let's go!
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
Ayan na nga mga pre, dito tayo ngayon sa People's Park naman. Hindi pa talaga natatapos ang ride namin at trip namin dito sa Tagaytay. Sinulit talaga namin to. Tignan nyo, dito kami sa malamig na klima sa park ng Tagaytay. Kaya tara, pasok natin yung People's Park. Yan, saan na nakarating guys?
Uy, sasakay daw tayo, bakit?
Bakit?
You better turn to the other side. If you stay right here, I might move my head to your face. It's been a long and tiresome day. I've been waiting to come home and give you everything that I have. Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner in bed. Slowly watch as the sun rises, or fall asleep instead. Woo, this is how it ought to be. Every day should be like a hovering cloud. Woo, when it's only you and me, no one else can bother us to step on our feet. Oh no, step on our feet. There's a road that leads to pain. If we go down it, there's a chance we won't make it back. We better move to the positive side. There's a reason why we still have each other to hold. Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner in bed. Slowly watch as the sun rises, or fall asleep instead. Woo, this is how it ought to be. Every day should be like.
Pero mga pre, tapos kami sa taas at nandito muna kami mag early dinner na bago bumiyahe dito sa People's Park. Tapos mamaya diretso biyahe na kami or magkakape pa kami sa daan. And ayun, let's go.
She was out there alone on the highway. She had a broken wing, she's trying to hide. And I was much too old.
Ay mga pre, gasap na tayo dito sa may bandang. Tapos dito naggasap na kami sa Petron, then diretso biyahe na kami. Dito na rin kami nagkapi na yun, nag-early dinner kami. Eh, dito na rin natapos ng video na to. Maraming salamat ng nanonood. Alam.